Hi, my name is David Best. I drive a 2012 Honda Fit in the Grid Life Club SC series.
Competitive program together is even harder.
About my third season of competing, and we're going to be throwing a lightweight battery in it today. So we got the Valkyrie Engineering lightweight battery kit here. Very nice looking billet aluminum mount. The cover that leaves it open for the reset button on the anti-gravity battery. This whole kit saves about 18 pounds based on our measurements. Comes with very nice countersunk hardware, and we've got an M5 and an M8 driver. That's all we should need to get it installed. So what we've done so far is remove the stock battery and tray. All you need to get the battery out of there is a 10mm socket to get that top clip off, and then the plastic tray lifts right out. And then there's just 4 12mm bolts in here, 2 on top, 2 on the side here. Back one's a little easier from under the car, but not a big deal.
We're influencing so hard right now.
Right?
I love it.
Alright, so this is the new tray about to go in. So far, what we've done is just install these with our M4 wrench to get these uprights here. This will go right down where the original tray mounted with the bigger hardware here using an M5 driver. We'll hit the bolts with a little bit of thread locker for the top plate and we'll be done. Alright, we've got our thread locker on. Countersunk one goes in the back. Other guy goes in the front. Alright, we've got our ATX-20 anti-gravity battery here. I've run one of these in my other car for like 3 years now and it's been fantastic. We've pre-installed the included terminals here using that same M5 wrench, and now we just drop it in. The base plate has this nice machined lip on it, so there's no slop whatsoever in the battery once it's in there. And our top plate goes right on here, and the M4 wrench will fit these 4 little bolts. Ready to wrap things up here. We've paint marked everything that we can see just for visual peace of mind. You can see we got the nice Valkyrie Engineering logo right up top, front and center, and this beautiful cutout for the restart button on the anti-gravity battery. All we have to do now is get these terminals back in place. It uses the stock wires, same size, and again it's just a 10mm socket to tighten it up. Alright, so about a 15-minute install and we're ready to go. It'll cut a minimum of 18 pounds from the car using the stock battery as a reference, and that's it.
Love to see stickers start getting added to the doors as the season goes on, Alex. You know how hard it is to put a program together, and it takes a lot of partners and people for all these drivers. Leonard Radcliffe just jumped up into the mix there as well. There's David Best. No time on the board just yet.
Nope, just coming around to finish that first.
He's a 360 cam.
What's up, fam? What up, gang? All right.